Dad, can you bring a big fish home for dinner sometime?
Yes, Dad. We all want to have a big fish for dinner.
A big fish? Well, I can try. I'll look for one when I have time.
That sounds great. The kids have been asking for it for a while.
All right. I'll make sure to get one this week.
Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
The children are excited, and John promises to bring a big fish home soon.
Did you get the fish today, Dad?
Oh no, I forgot. I had so much work today.
But Dad, you promised.
I know, I'm sorry. I'll definitely get it tomorrow.
It's okay, John. We understand you're busy. Just try to remember.
I will. I'm sorry, kids.
John feels bad about forgetting. The children are disappointed but hopeful he will remember soon.
Guess what, everyone? I finally got the big fish.
Yay! Thank you, Dad.
Yay! Thank you, Dad.
That's wonderful, John. I'll cook it for dinner tonight.
I'm glad I remembered. I hope it's worth the wait.
I'm sure it will be delicious.
I can't wait to eat it.
The family is excited and John feels proud to have kept his promise.
Dinner is ready. Come and eat.
Wow, the fish looks amazing.
It smells so good, Mom.
Let's dig in.
I hope you all like it.
This is delicious, Mom.
The best fish ever.
I'm so glad you like it. Sorry it took so long to get it.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, John. It's a lovely dinner.
The family enjoys their meal, happy and satisfied. The children thank their father for the special dinner. In the end, the family enjoys a lovely dinner together. The children's wish is fulfilled, and they all appreciate John's effort. It's a special evening filled with love and delicious food.